Hey guys! Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing? So, my name is Kriti Tiwari, and you're gonna see a lot of me now on the YouTube. I'm so sorry for that. But yeah, I don't know. I just thought it would be good to come online, show my face, then I'm actually showing myself, and then connect with you guys here. So, I know that I have like lots of 50 to 60 YouTube tutorials already on my page, which hardly you guys see. But so that's why I think I have taken a decision. So there was just time when I thought things are just not working out here. And recently, one of my students said that, uh, no, I don't prefer YouTube videos because they are very generic and you can't clarify the doubts. So I got very confused because whenever someone replies to me on YouTube, I would make sure that I reply to that person back, right? So if you are taking my YouTube tutorial, I would expect you, and you have doubts, I would really like expect you to drop me a comment so that I can reply back. But that's that being said, and that clicked something, and I said, okay, I think this is a sign, and yeah, that's one more thing. Like nowadays, everything is a sign. Okay. So then I decided, okay, I think that's like good thing that I got that, and that's where the painted path and my skies to bloom was born. And I thought, okay, let me move on to a very different style of YouTube content that you guys or any other artist who is actually on the same journey would be able to relate. So here I am, and I started recording. So this is the first video that I'm doing, and I just want to tell you that moving forward, we're gonna see a lot of this, like me, um, and all of my upcoming videos, like upcoming tutorials and everything, is going to be on my own platform, and this YouTube is going to be a vlog style video content where I'm coming one topic each day, like not each day, I'm gonna do, I think, twice in a week I'm planning to do the videos, and I come, we talk, you can sit with me with a cup of coffee, um and we chit chat, right? So I want to hear back from you guys, so drop a comment, and we'll talk about it. So this is the first video, the very first video, very raw, nothing planned, and I'm here just to tell you guys that all of my tutorials moving forward will be moving to my own platform, my subscription platform, to my courses, and this YouTube is gonna be dedicated to like vlog style videos where I come in, we talk, we chit chat, um, exchange some information that might be valuable to you guys, show off my paintings, upcoming paintings that are coming, so that I get some buyers as well for my artwork. And if you are someone who would like to own my artworks, please visit my gallery. The link is in the description. And if you wanna like order some commissions, I'm open for that as well. And if you're someone who would like to learn from me, join my courses. Yay! I did marketing as well here. Okay, so I think that's it for the first video. I don't want to disclose my personality in the very first video. Don't want to scare you guys off. But I'm gonna see you next time, and I will be bringing another topic to discuss. So signing off. See you later. Bye.